Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade right in a water bottle. It's incredibly simple and perfect for a refreshing drink on the go. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. You'll also need a clean water bottle, a knife, and a cutting board. A small funnel can be very helpful to keep everything tidy and prevent any spills. Now let's get that fresh lemon juice. To get the most out of your lemons, roll 2 or 3 medium-sized ones firmly on a hard surface before cutting. Then, carefully slice each lemon in half. Squeeze all that wonderful juice directly into your water bottle. Don't worry about a few seeds, we can strain those out later if needed, but for now, just focus on getting all the liquid in. Next, it's time to add the sweetness and water. For a balanced taste, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar to the lemon juice in your bottle. Then, pour in approximately 1.5 cups of cold water. Make sure to secure the bottle cap tightly. Now, give it a really good shake for about 30 seconds to ensure the sugar fully dissolves and everything mixes perfectly. Finally, let's get ready to enjoy your homemade lemonade. Take a small sip and taste your creation. If you prefer it sweeter, simply add a little more sugar and shake again. For an extra cold treat, you can carefully add a few small ice cubes. Then, refrigerate your refreshing drink for at least 15 minutes to chill thoroughly. Your delicious, fresh lemonade is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.